Hey everybody, welcome back. Today I'm going to be using my Ninja Creami Deluxe to make some amazing orange sherbet. Is this going to be tastier than just plain old orange sorbet? Watch this video and find out. So you ready? Let's get into this. Okay, for this recipe we're going to need some Kroger Carb Master milk, some Trop 50 or other light orange juice, monk fruit sweetener, lemon juice, a little bit of sugar-free orange jello, vanilla extract, some vanilla whey protein, and some Geffen zero sugar ice cream cones. If you'd like to make this recipe, all the ingredients and measurements are down in the description of the video, along with the calorie count, the protein, the carbs, and the fat. Okay, for this we're going to be heating up part of our mix. We don't need to make it really hot, we just need to warm it a little bit so the whey protein and the monk fruit sweetener will dissolve into it a little bit easier. So we're going to turn this on, and I'm just going to set this to a really low temperature, probably on level 2. We don't really want to make this super hot, we just want to warm this up a little bit. So we're going to pour in our Carb Master milk, put in our vanilla extract, and we're gonna whisk in our monk fruit sweetener. We'll just give this a minute or two to warm up, and really all we need to do is get this over 100 degrees. Not much more than that, because we're gonna have to let this cool down, and we don't want our citrus going into a hot mix, otherwise it's gonna turn it sour. And once we get over 100 degrees, we're gonna shut off the power to this, and we're gonna whisk in our protein powder. At the same time, we'll go ahead and put in our orange jello as well. Just make sure you get that mixed really good. Now, it's not gonna be perfect. You're gonna see little bits of the jello in here. That's perfectly fine. We just wanna get this sort of mixed. After we freeze this and run it through our Ninja Creami, it's gonna be all smoothed out anyway. Now we can get this off the heat and let it cool down. Once this cools down, we can take our Ninja Creami pint and we can pour in this cooled off mix. Then we'll add in our lemon juice, and we're gonna pour in the orange juice. Just be careful when you pour that in that we don't wanna go past the scoopable max fill line. Right there. We shouldn't, this is measured out pretty good, but you never know. And not too bad, a little bit left. What? Once you got that in there, we're gonna give this a good stir. Try to get that combined as good as you can. Doesn't have to be perfect though. Then we'll throw on the lid, and we're gonna put this into our freezer, being sure we put it on a nice level surface, just like this. Remember, you don't wanna freeze this on an angle or all cockeyed, because if you do, you're gonna run the risk of breaking your creamy, and you really don't wanna do that. Now we just wanna let that freeze for at least 24 hours.
2,000 years later.
Okay, now there's been 24 hours. Our sherbet should be ready to go. Alright, so we'll put this into our creamy pitcher, like so. Throw on the lid, lock it into place. We'll throw this into our creamy and lock that in. And I think I'm only gonna process the top, so I'll click that button. And we're doing sherbet for this. There's not an actual button for this, but it's really similar to light ice cream, so I'm gonna do that, and we're ready to go. Hey, by the way, if this is your first time here and you want to learn some cool new recipes, get some great cooking tips and tricks and all sorts of other kitchen related things, then start now by subscribing to the channel and clicking the notification bell so you never miss a thing. Alright, let's see how this turned out. Woo! That's looking pretty good. Let's serve this out. Sherbet's one of those things that you always overlook when you're in the ice cream aisle at your local grocery store. We always seem to be grabbing for something else, but whenever we have the opportunity to taste some, we always wonder why we don't have it more often. This will give you that feeling with the added bonus of being high protein, much lower sugar, and a lot less calories. If you'd like a little bit more information about the Ninja Creami Deluxe that I use to make this recipe, I do have an Amazon affiliate link to it down in the description of the video. If you buy anything through those links, I do make a small commission, but it doesn't change the price that you pay, 1 cent. Hey, Joe's Phenomenal now has channel memberships. For most people, you can see a join button down below the video window that you can click and see what type of perks I'm offering. If you're using an iOS device, you might not be able to see it, and if that's the case, I do have a link down in the description of the video as well. Also, I'd like to take a second to welcome our new channel members, Marcelo Urbieta, Yi Zhang, and Covet Cotton. Thanks for signing up, and you're truly appreciated. If you like this video, you might like this video right here where I showed you how to use the Ninja Creami Deluxe to make some really great butter pecan ice cream. That's one of my favorite flavors, and in this machine, it's one of the best versions of it too. Well, that's it for now. I hope to see you back again here really soon, and until that time, I'm Joe, and I hope you have a phenomenal day. Take it easy.